Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy the whale token using Trust Wallet and Uniswap. I'm going to be showing you guys step by step everything you have to do in order to buy this token. But before we get started, I just want to remind everyone that I do have daily cryptocurrency tutorials on this channel. So if you guys are interested in crypto and you want to learn how to buy, how to sell, and lots more, I'd really recommend subscribing to this channel as I'll have lots of content coming out now and into the future. Anyhow, all you have to do to start off with this is just go over to your Trust Wallet and open that up. And I'm just going to let you guys know I'm not going to show you how to create your Trust Wallet or how to buy or transfer Ethereum inside of your Trust Wallet. I'll have separate tutorials linked for that in the description and in the comment section if those tutorials are needed. But I'm going to already assume that you guys have your BNB inside of your Trust Wallet here and that you have enough BNB inside of your smart chain that you're willing to spend on the token. So if you guys just have your BNB inside of your BNB wallet and you don't know how to send it to your smart chain, you just want to click on the BNB wallet, click on more, and then click on swap to smart chain here at the bottom. Once you do that, it will show up in PancakeSwap, so that's very, very important. Anyhow, all we have to do now is add the token address to our Trust Wallets. So I'll have a link over to CoinMarketCap in the description and comment section. So you guys just go ahead there and to get the contract address. So if you just head to that link, it'll just look like this. And all you guys have to do is go down to where it says contracts and Ethereum there and just copy that little contract address. Once it's copied, we can exit out and go back into our Trust Wallets. Then we can just go to the top right of our screen where we see the 2 lines and 2 circles. Click on that. And then we can just paste this address up in the top search. And right here, we'll see the whale token. So we just can enable the token and click on done. So now that we have the token in here, all we have to do now is go to the exchange. So I'll have a link over to Uniswap in the description and in the comment section down below. So just head over there and I'll show you guys what to do next. So once we're on the Uniswap exchange here, the first thing that we want to do is we want to connect our wallet. So if we just go to the connect to a wallet button at the top of the screen here and click on that, we'll then see a couple options here. So you guys can open it up in Coinbase, Formatic, or Wallet Connect, but we're going to be using Wallet Connect for this. So we're going to click on Wallet Connect. Then here it's going to show us all the wallets that we could connect to. So in this case, I'm going to be using Trust Wallet, but you guys can use MetaMask or any other wallet that you would have Ethereum in. So in this tutorial, I'm just going to be showing you guys with Trust Wallet. So let's click on Trust Wallet. And that's going to open up this connection screen inside of our Trust Wallets. So we can just click on Connect to connect our wallets and then head back over to Uniswap. Once we're back in Uniswap here now, we can see our wallets connected by seeing our wallet address up in the top corner right there, as well as our balance of Ethereum right under the Ethereum logo. Now, all we have to do is click on Select a Token and paste that contract address right in this contract address section. Then you should see the whale token right here. So we can just click on import and import. Now, once we're ready here and we have our Ethereum and the whale token inside of here, all we have to do is change our slippage tolerance. So if we just go to this little settings gear beside swap and click on that, right here, we can set our slippage tolerance. Now you can set it to automatic and see what happens. This token is a little bit of higher price than normal tokens that you would swap through an exchange like this. So you shouldn't need too high of a slippage tolerance. I would go maybe up to 1 or 2% at the most, and you guys should be good. But you guys can just start off by using auto for this token. Anyhow, all you have to do now is once you have the slippage tolerance set, you can just put the amount of Ethereum that you want to transfer into the whale token. So let's just say if I want to transfer 1 Ethereum, it will then show me how much whale token I'll get in exchange for that. Now, if you guys are good here and happy with what you see, you guys can just go ahead and click on where it says insufficient F balance for me. It should just be telling you to swap here. Then it's going to show you a broken down version of transactions, showing you your gas fees and your other fees and things like that. So if you're happy with that, what you see on the next page, you can just go ahead and click on swap one more time, and then you'll get a successful transaction notice. Once you get that notice, we can exit out of here and head back over to our Trust Wallets, and the whale token will arrive in your wallet usually within a couple minutes. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out, show you guys how to buy the whale token using Trust Wallet and Uniswap. If this video did help you out, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.